Hey y'all, this is Dave with the Bomb Smokes. I haven't been on for a while, and I'm sorry about that. I'll explain that to you later on, but I did a grocery haul. I've never actually done a grocery haul before, so I thought I would share this with you. I'm trying to eat some carnivore, or go carnivore if I can, and I got me some cage-free fresh brown eggs. And I shopped at Food Lion here. I don't know if y'all have a Food Lion there, but the eggs were, let's see if I can find it here. I know I got them. L's Natural Cheddar. Okay. Large. I don't even see the eggs on here. That's something. Maybe they didn't charge me for the eggs. Oh, there it is. Large brown eggs. $3.49. Now, they do have them less expensive than that. And Food Lion also had their Boston Butts on sale for 99 cents a pound. So I got it was $19.21 regular price, and it was $8.31 with the sale. So that was a good deal. And I should have bought 2 of these to put on the smoker, which is probably what I'll do. Okay, they had London broil on sale, and I got I got 2 of these. You'll have to excuse the camera if I'm moving around a lot because I'm using my cell phone and I'm not used to using my cell phone. I do have a camera on a tripod, but this is just a last minute thing. The London broil, which is pretty good cut of steak, it was on sale for $4.99 a pound, and I got 2 of these. Then I got some heavy whipping cream. I like a little heavy whipping cream in my coffee. And it was, let's see, heavy whipping cream. I was $2.99. And I got some of these cheddar cheese curds. I like them for a snack. So I got me a little bag of that in the deli department. And let's see, they were a little bit high, $3.99. I probably won't buy them a whole lot, but, just one time. And they had a manager's markdown. It was chuck steak. And I know not chuck steak, but chuck roast. And they had it marked down to $6.60. Having a hard time reading that. $6.63 a pound. Or 6, yeah. Anyway, I got one of those. And I'm going to freeze some of this meat. And I got some bacon. Food Lion had their bacon on sale. 12-ounce packs. No, 16-ounce pack. Let's see. Oh, I got one 12-ounce and one 16-ounce. I didn't realize that. Huh. Well, anyway, they had bacon on sale, but this was less expensive. Let's see, the 12-ounce was $4.78, and the 16-ounce was only $4.79, just a penny difference. I should have got 2 16-ounce, but I wasn't paying attention to the. And for my wife, I'm not going to eat these, but I got her some cinnamon raisin bagels. She likes those. But yeah, I just figured I'd share this with you guys. Like I say, I'm trying to eat more carnivore, and the cinnamon bagels were $2.74. So the total with tax and everything ended up being $77.19. It's $100, so I'm happy with that. But anyway, my wife has Alzheimer's disease, and I care for her the majority of the time. I stay busy caring for her. So I haven't had a chance to make any videos, but I'm going to try my best to get back to it. And thank you all for putting up and being patient with me. I really am sorry to let down my followers, but I'm hoping that I'll be able to continue. I haven't really given up. It's just that I'll go for a while and I'll do good. And then I'll go and I'll just, my heart won't be in it, because I'm so involved with taking care of my wife. But hopefully that's going to change. So I'll keep you updated on this, on my carnivore journey, and I really appreciate it. I love you all. I appreciate all of your dedication and your to subscribing to my channel and watching my videos. So until next time, this is Dave DeBomb. Remember, don't take this day for granted because when it's gone, it's gone.